Well, this is really nice also today on the 9th of May 2025, something original finally also here in the suburb of Gammelbacka in Porvoo, Finland. Today on the 9th of May 2025, this is Suolaketie. It's Celtingsvägen 1. It's a steel staircase.
Yeah.
With 7 floors, and it's been built in 1988 with Kone fixtures. Although unfortunately it's too scratched and
Yeah.
very light stuff. Still, we'll take the rest here. It's number 65320 and it has these 4 beds for 25 minutes. I love the smell here. We thought it was more nice to replace luckily it wasn't.
Yeah.
I like this one.
Same. This was the best renovation work in 2020, but they didn't replace the elevator, so so they were right to choose this one, and because mostly they replaced the elevators when they do these large renovations.
Yes. This could have been made faster.
Ja, teetpaikki vaihtaa, että meitä nyt pääsi pois.
Well, it was not bad demonstrations yet.
Yeah.
It might be from the beginning of 1988.
Yeah.
That was the time when Celine Dion won the Eurovision.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's